today. You guys can use Credit 101, the coupon code. You can get $30 off of the sign up. So let's see. Do you need to clear your passwords in Chrome when you're doing the shopping cart trick? So when I do the shopping cart trick, I do not. I don't have to clear my password. I don't have to clear my cookies. Only thing I have to do is just make sure that I allow pop-ups. So I think that's like the most important thing, is to allow pop-ups and make sure you're incognito. Make sure you have an incognito window open. Like if you do those things, I think that if you have everything else correct, it should work for you. Don't forget too, you have to opt into Factor Trust. You know, you have to opt into the pre-screen opt-out, but just clear your cookies, you know, all of that, clear your passwords. You don't necessarily have to do it, because I can still get a pop-up on my computer without doing it. I don't want to keep clearing my password, clearing my cookies. I used to do that before, and then I found out, wait, I'm getting a pop-up without doing all this. And then I decided that with my computer, I don't know about your computer or your phone, whatever you're using, I don't need to do that. So if you don't want to clear your cookies, then you probably don't have to clear your cookies. But, you know, if you want to try it, you know, try it without doing it, then go ahead and try it. But understand that that could be something that's wrong, though, for a reason why you can't get the shopping cart trick to work. So you may want to just keep trying the shopping cart trick on probably, you know, once a week. If you